It is my honor and pleasure to welcome you to our 9th EndoSwiss meeting here in Zurich on diagnostic and therapeutic endoscopy.
Me and our great team are ready to present you some exciting cases. Okay, alle auf Position.
We have 1,392 registration from 128 countries.
Size is more than 3 centimeters, it's impossible to take it out.
Meta-analysis performed, showing for the first time
to be able to interpret this information.
The standard cap for EMR, or is it the large soft cap?
Apparently sticking, so endohepatology.
Thank you so much, your perfect introduction.
Can you please advance the guide wire? Okay, obviously we are in. You see very typical atrophic changes because there is no room.
There are many procedures that can be trained by this system.
Some of the studies, they may have done 10,000 colonoscopies.
It's around 3 centimeter lesion recruitment now, Bob.
There is some GNet 2A areas and also GNet 2B.
And you can see the situation of those two polyps.
Continue the circular myotomy here and just see how deep we need to go.
It's important to point on the working channel side.
I have 2 Polish nurses with me, and I'm really glad we know each other also from Warsaw, and I'm really happy to be with you.
In such a case, series is the best indication.
Dear colleagues, we are coming now to a new session on innovation. They have a so-called EndoCubot. This is a next generation robotic training platform, which we will demonstrate now. And the next feature is a therapeutic procedure. It will be a premiere in Europe, the first live demonstration with the robotic assisted devices, which will be performed by Professor Inoue.
So we are trying to cut the other part. Okay.
Zurich, Lucerne, Düsseldorf team approach. We finally succeeded.
I would like to start with the first presentation.
dynamically visualized.
Highlight the possibilities of our little AI helpers.
We need to think and decide